Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update that is Sasken Pooled Campus Drive for Freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title it is Associate Software Engineer and the salary of the CTC it is 3.7 lakhs per annum and the experience needed for the job role it is for freshers and the work location or the job location. So there are four different job locations. So the first one is Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata as well as Pune and the test date it will be conducted during the fourth week of December 2021 and the last date to apply for the job role it is 10th December 2021. So apply as soon as possible. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed it is for BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MCA or MSc graduates are eligible to apply and the streams or the specialization. So any technical circuit branches are eligible to apply for the job role and the service agreement. So for the Saskin there is 3 years of service bond. And the next thing is the batch eligible. It is for 2022 and the percentage criteria it should be 65% throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. So you need to have knowledge of any one of the programming language such as it can be C, C++ or Java. So any one of that is preferred. And apart from that, you need to have good knowledge of data structure. So basic understanding of data structures and algorithms is preferred. So then coming to the selection process, there will be three different rounds. So the first round is the online test in which there will be test regarding the programming language skills and the preferred coding language is only three languages that is C, C++ or Java. And after that there will be aptitude test. So MCQ related to numerical ability, logical, everything will be covered in this part. And the second round is the technical interview and the third round is the HR interview. So these are the three rounds that are included in the selection process. So the complete test pattern for the Saskin. So the link will be provided in the description. You can go to that video and prepare on the same. So then coming to the application link. So you need to fill your details, your name, your email address, your phone number, and you need to be willing to join 3 years of so to sign the 3 years of agreement and you need to enter your percentage and your qualification everything and after that you need to choose the preferred programming language for assessment that is either C, C++ or Java and after that you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.